Hello, my creative friends. Welcome back to Color Splash Studio, where learning meets fun and creativity. This is video 2 in our Ganesh Chaturthi holiday learning series. Today, we're doing a super engaging counting and matching activity with leaves and caterpillars, but this time with a fun twist. Kids will not just match but also insert the caterpillars through leaf slots, making it more interactive and playful. I've made ready-to-use templates for you. Just download them from the description box below, print, and let's start creating. Give the leaf templates to children to color. Encourage them to use different shades of green or add patterns for a personal touch. This coloring step helps children add their own creativity while also improving focus and motor skills. Parents can assist younger kids in cutting along the outlines. Cut out all the 10 leaves with numbers. Then cut out the 10 caterpillars and glue them on ice cream sticks. Make sure the base is strong enough for sliding into the leaves. Now our caterpillars are ready to crawl into the leaves. Parents carefully make 2 small incisions on each leaf. These will act as slots for the caterpillar stick to slide through. Encourage your child to pick any caterpillar stick, say with 4 circles. Then count along with the early learners aloud. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they insert the caterpillar stick into the leaf marked 4. Isn't that fun? A simple pull-through game that keeps kids excited while learning numbers. These activities may seem very simple, but there are many learning benefits for kids. They develop their math skills like number recognition and counting, fine motor skills like coloring, cutting, and sliding sticks through the slots. They also have cognitive development that happens in this process with matching numbers with quantities. There is a lot of hand-eye coordination required while inserting sticks correctly, and definitely they are getting creative and confident by adding personal touches with colors. So while they play, they are also building important early learning skills in the most enjoyable way. If you enjoyed this activity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Color Splash Studio. Drop a comment below telling me how your child enjoyed coloring and playing with the caterpillars. And don't miss the next video in our Ganesh Chaturthi holiday learning series for more fun and educational craft. Till then, bye-bye.